Nope. Bitch. Come on now. All right. Moment of truth right here. Cool! I fucking hate those things. Just as good as it's gonna get. That might be the only way to do it, man. You know? Hey, if it works, it works. This is a wild strategy. Oh yeah. And just boom. Ain't that perfect? Look at that shit. Hold on, let me get mine. Just piss on the floor? What the hell was that sound? Oh, there you go. Dude, my cup is indestructible, and you are a fact. Awesome, dude. That's great. So, I drive home from work. I go to open my door. Shut the my door is fucked. Turn that off, right? So this has been my latest focus. I'm going completely straight right now. It's been pulling since the road trip, and I gotta fix this. This is like my #1 goal. So I know I need new tires. I've heard that can impact this. So get tires, get alignment. I want to put my car up on jack stands actually. That's another thing I want to do. Because I remember something in the ether about my car, like tie rods being fucked. I just remember hitting a curb pretty bad. I never recorded it, but it was on the road trip. I had a curb pretty bad when I was trying to pull into one. The one with, where I recorded like the other guy doing weird shit in his car. I put like text on screen that said other boondocker doing weird shit. That. When I was pulling into that side, I hit a curb really hard. Like really, like GTA style hard. So I'm gonna take a look at that. And we'll see. But I wanna fix this, because this is starting to piss me off. I got no battery. Gotta do it quick. Oh shit, oh green jack, green, 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 green. I'm like that guy on Twitter, you know? My shit's squatted now because of all the weight in the back seat. Look at that. Very little, a lot of space.
between the fender and the wheel. You know, very little gap right here.
Squatting my shit.